inner gate punches. Inner gates, I'll count, look like this. Keep this line down here in mind as I'm doing this. This is your line of attack, right? So with an inner gate, you always want to come in, come straight down the center, leading with the first two knuckles with this hand. This hand follows almost like you have a band on your wrist. So as it comes out, you're going to 1, 2, 3. Important habit to develop. This parry, we call a parry, comes from this side of the shoulder out towards the center, just crossing the center. So it comes all the way over here, right? So you want to come here, right? You don't want to come across or out, out in space somewhere. So keep it close to the center. The idea is if there's an incoming attack, you're going to meet the attack and push it off the center. Push it off the center. Push it off the center, right? Because you're coming in. Now it's important to go with the hand. You don't want the hand back here. That's too close to your face or your body to stop a punch, incoming punch. Let's say you may catch the first one doing that, but that second one's going to come in way too fast. You need to try to meet the punch to neutralize it as well as to give yourself time to reposition. Okay, Ray, let's do some exercises. We'll talk more in detail later. So in your high horse stance, feet are just outside the shoulders. I'll show you what that looks like. So your feet will be here, you slightly pigeon toe here, and we'll do inner gates for 1, slow, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do outer gate. Watch my hands. I'm going to parry across, palm up or tonsile, punch. Parry across, tonsile, punch. Now, I like to add a little hip turn in that, but if you're not comfortable, just go 1, 2, 3, and come back here. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, and 10, 2, 3. Good. Now we're going to do sink elbow. From here, you're going to bring the elbow down to the center, and you're going to punch up. Your other hand is going to parry down, right? Couple pointers here. When you come to the center, you go up and out. If you parry, you're not parrying down here, parry out towards the oncoming strike, always out. You parry down here, you can see that that's way too close to the body. There's no way you're going to stop a kick or offset a punch coming in with your hand that close. So always move everything away from the body from a solid stance. Okay, let's do sink elbows. 1, come back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you're not leaning over to, right? Try to stay upright as much as possible. Just bring the elbow towards the center. All right.